right? Windows Server 2000 R2. Okay. First of all, this is a launch Windows Server 2000 December 2015. Okay, and this is the agenda given. This is a given features licensing change. Licensing change mode means when you install Windows Server 2016 in your PC, a laptop, and a server, then 180 days Microsoft company assign the free license. 180 days you can use free license. 180 days. Okay. No, okay. So that you can go to Nano server. What is Nano server? Nano server is a small server. This is a CY mode, like CY mode. Yes, bro, yes. License free, 180 days. Free, yes. License free, 180 days. Okay, okay. 180 days license free Windows Server 2016. Okay. Then Nano server is a small server, but Nano server is not some features, some roles are not available in Nano server. Okay, I am explaining now Nano server. But so Active Directory. This is the Active Directory given features. Failover clustering means suppose. Wait, I am providing. Okay, wait. What is clustering failover? Okay. Failover. What is failover clustering? Suppose we have we have we have three server. We have three server, right? We have three server. Server one, server two, okay, and then server three. Okay. Suppose, but if problem is created, then Microsoft provides security at the time free license. Yes, 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 bro. You can you can use you can use free license wait, license only Windows Server 2016. Okay, 180 days. Okay. So failover clustering means suppose we have a three servers. First, suppose three server is down right now. Three servers is down. Suppose wait. I am share the screen. Suppose three server is down right now. Then you can switch all data and materials and all configuration data. Then you can switch another server, second server. Okay, and then switch it. Just like do you know load balancer router? Load balancer router. Suppose failover clustering as a you can use backup. You can use backup failover clustering. Okay, and Hyper-V, some features in hard drive related, hard disk related, storage related, and some features are given in Windows Server 2016. But and then yeah, it is also given remote desktop services and file and storage services, storage replication, deduplication improvement, and this is a storage replication. This means when you assign the any users, particular users, and quota management, and you can use, we can use. Okay, just like file storage services, and this is the available features in PowerShell 5.0. Okay, PowerShell. Suppose you can open this PowerShell 5.0, then you can install any roles and features through PowerShell 5.0. Okay, and then Windows networking. Windows networking means Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2012 R2. So when you restart the when when restart the server 2012 या server 2008 या server 2008 R2, then some services stop in features in Windows Server 2008 R2 and 2002 Server 2012 R2. But Windows Server 2016 and Windows Server 2019 not available service stop when we stop the server and then restart the server Windows Server 2016, but services not stop in Windows Server 2016. Okay, are you getting my point, Bhardwaj, Mr. Bhardwaj? Are you getting my point? Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Fine. Okay. A nano server I am explaining now. What is nano server? Nano server is a very small server configure of and running server 450 MB, approx 500 MB space. We can assign the space. Okay, and answer to VMware tutorial there in 32 MB hypervisor and can be installed in a VMware or on physical servers. Either way, you are just making on VSD and pointing a boot config to it. Means BSD means when we install software. VMware software means we can install multiple OS. We can install multiple OS in VMware software. Like VMware and then Hyper-V, both are same VMware. Okay. Then we can install multiple OS in VMware. Okay. Are you getting my point, Bhardwaj, Mr. Bhardwaj? Okay. Can run the flowing roles and features Hyper-V, failover clustering. Okay. Okay. Can run the flowing roles and features Hyper-V, failover clustering, file server DNS, not AD. But in a nano server, they are not available in some features in AD. Okay, but some features available in failover clustering and file server. But I'm also providing a nano server how to install and configure. Okay, if you don't mind, and don't worry. Okay, and they are also given AD is not here. Yeah. AD is sorry. AD is yes. एक मिनट यार. Yes. Okay. Let's see. This is a there are given contents Windows Server 2016, but Nano Server is a bad server. Yes. अरे यार कहाँ टाइप कर रहा हूँ मैं. Yes, but you can use a small feature, a small server. You can use for a small server like CY mode. Okay. 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 Introduction and okay. मैं यहीं पे रहा यार. Command line base. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. There are given contents, introduction and a version. एक मिनट VER as version. First of all, introduction version Windows Server operating system. How to install Windows Server 2016 and configure. Chapter 1, Introduction to Active Directory Domain Services. Okay, you can configure and install. Installing, upgrading and migrating servers and workloads. Configure local storage and implementing enterprise storage, implementing storage space. But I am providing a lots of features, and this is a chapter 14. But a course duration is a 3 months. Are you getting my point, Bhardwaj, Mr. Bhardwaj? Okay. I am explaining. I will explain step by step all details and chapter wise chapter wise. Okay, Mr. Bhardwaj. Yeah, yeah. Yes, 3 months. 3 months. Yes, 3 months. Why? Yes, Mr. Bhardwaj. It is not. It's not good. Means okay, okay, no problem. Okay, okay, no problem. When you gain gain daily basis, okay, no problem. When you gain daily basis, daily basis, daily basis, this knowledge, LEDG knowledge, then I will finish 2 months, no problem. Okay, no problem. When you gain daily basis this knowledge, then I will finish 2 months. Approx approx 2 months, no problem. Is it free of course? No, 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 no. Is it free of course? No, no. This is this is a paid. This is paid course. COURS. This is a paid course, bro. Not free. Tell me. After 2 days, after 2 days, you can pay. You can pay money advance. When you finish this demo, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable to paid course or not? Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable Hindi language and I am providing? In which no free course? You can leave now. But अच्छा नहीं करेगा नहीं करेगा बाद में जा